Hey my friends, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hoping a lovely day. So today's video is about claim it and forget about the how it's going to manifest in your life. I'm really excited to share this video with you. Before we jump right into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, the notification button. Follow me on my social medias. They'll be linked in the description box down below. I also have a free gift from me to you, and it's a manifestation cheat sheet guide. In this guide, I'm highlighting 34 of my favorite tips and tricks about manifestation, and these tips and tricks really freaking work, and they're very simple, easy, and very concise. So I'm super excited for you to check that out. If you want to accelerate your manifestation, I do have a manifestation blueprint course available, and it'll be linked in the description box down below. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So like I said in this video, it's called Claim It and Forget About the How. And claiming it just means believing in yourself, believing that you're able to manifest anything you freaking want. So say you want to manifest more money, a specific person. So a specific person can either be more friends, more like friendships, or a relationship of the person of your dreams, a new house, opportunities, a vacation, health, wellness, a car, anything like that you want to manifest, it is yours. You can claim it and you believe that you're able to manifest it. The problem is though, is that when we initially believe that we're able to manifest it, there's some sort of limiting beliefs that stop us from manifesting our dreams. And usually the limiting beliefs are really about how it's going to manifest. You can be like, oh, I can manifest more money, but then all of a sudden you get a counter thought of being like, well, how is it going to manifest? How are you going to bring $10,000 in your life? Like, how is it going to happen based about your circumstances? And what we really want to do is really want to not ignore, but we're going to just throw out the circumstances and the how, when, how, why, whatever, all those thoughts out the freaking window. And because we shouldn't let circumstances dictate our life. We can really change your life like this very, very fast. And our circumstances are not dependent about what we're trying to manifest in your life. We can create the life that we truly want. And our thoughts and our feelings and our beliefs about ourselves will do that. But the limiting beliefs always get in the way of our manifestations and almost literally sabotage our manifestations, and that's literally not what we want. Limiting beliefs are just lies that we tell ourselves. So if you ever come into a problem and you think about your manifestation, and then right afterwards you get a thought, I'll be like, well, how's it gonna happen? Why is it gonna happen? Where is it? Blah, 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 blah. When you get those thoughts, realize it's a lie that you're telling yourself. The ego is just trying to protect yourself, protect you from whatever unknown thing's gonna happen to you. And it's just more of a survival instinct, but realize those are just lies that you tell yourself. And so we have to really push through those limiting beliefs. You really have to let them speak, but then we have to kind of just throw those limiting beliefs out the window. Just I don't care what you think, ego, out the window. You're kind of sabotaging my success here, buddy. You know what I mean? So what we really need to do is we need to be and feel happy about ourselves. And sometimes it's like easier said than done because, we get those limited beliefs that come up, like I said, and also maybe some negative thoughts about ourselves. And we don't want to ignore those negative thoughts because when we ignore them, we're actually going to, based on law of attraction, going to attract more of those negative thoughts. And we don't want that. And so we want those negative thoughts to be released. And so we release them by letting them speak. And when we hear them speak, we just can say, this no longer serves us, and we just disregard it, and we're going to import some more positive beliefs. Sometimes that doesn't work though. I noticed that with myself. It doesn't work, especially if it's very, very strong. It's something that you cannot let go of. And what I normally do is I do something something that just is going to make me happy. So basically, like, I either go get myself a coffee, I go hang out with some friends, get some drinks at a nice restaurant, I go for a run, I work out, do anything that's going to bring you some sort of fun and just kind of de-stress yourself and relieve some stress. And once I do that, I can return back to my manifestation, and I'm going to have a lot more clarity around it because my subconscious mind is on the background, and it's in the background thinking about all the wonderful things, and it's going to find solutions for me. But I've kind of just let go of those limiting beliefs because I'm distracting my mind by doing something fun that's out of the ordinary, in my routine schedule that day. And so, and those things that I'm doing that are fun are going to bring me happiness and joy. And when I come back, I'm kind of almost reset myself, and I'm able to kind of go at my manifestation again, or rethink about it from a different perspective, because my energy is different now. I'm at a different place now in the day where now I'm actually feeling really great about myself, that there's no way that that negative thought is going to come into my life anymore. So what I want you to do is I want you to imagine and feel your manifestation. How is it going to make you feel? And so you can either write down your manifestation in a journal, or you can leave in the comments down below. I would like to hear what you're trying to manifest, and I want you to really feel that, and imagine how would it make you feel. And usually the things you're trying to manifest are going to make you feel really happy, very excited, magnetic, ecstatic. And what I want you to do is that when we feel those things, I want you to implement that for 7 days now. I want you to really feel your manifestations. So every night before you go to bed, I want you to do this. And basically, what this really does is that, according to Neville Goddard, if you act like if you already are in the end result, you already act like you already have the thing you want in your life. And it's based about and how it makes you feel. And so when those feelings are the exact same whether you have the manifestation or not. So when we imagine and feel our manifestation desires and how it's gonna make you feel, those emotions are the exact same. So if we feel those emotions and feel happy right now, we're now we're in alignment with our desires. And being in alignment is our energies are in alignment with our desires, and basically high vibrations, feeling really great about ourselves. And an X amount of time, we're going to be in an energetic match with our desires. So if we upkeep that alignment all the time, we're able to get the things that we want. And so when we're really happy all the time, we're feeling happy about ourselves, we have a high vibration, we are now in an energetic match. We're going to become an energetic match faster, which is what we want. When we believe in our manifestations, we believe in ourselves, and we feel happy just in general about ourselves, we just love ourselves so freaking much, the universe is going to provide solutions, is going to provide a way to deliver your manifestations. We don't have to figure out everything for ourselves. That's the other thing. We always try to figure out how this is supposed to happen for us. We just have to believe in it. And when we believe in it, we're going to automatically receive. We're going to receive some sort of message from the universe that is going to help us be more in alignment with our desires. And that's the cool thing about it. And so when we always trying to figure out everything all the time, that's where we go wrong. And so the easier the things are, the faster everything's gonna happen. I feel like sometimes as humans we always try to think and we believe that the harder we do things and the harder we try at things, that's when we're gonna get a manifestation. That's when our dreams are gonna come true. Where in actuality is that the easier and more fun things are, we're more in flow of things and we're more happy about things, and that's when we're able to receive our results and our manifestations, because we're kind of in the flow of it and we're more in alignment with our desires. And all of a sudden the universe is going to send us a message, and it's going to send us some sort of indication that we're on the right path, or it's going to actually deliver our manifestation, which is so freaking cool. We don't have to figure out anything like that. And so I tried this on a lot of different manifestations, and let me tell you that what I thought how my manifestation was going to happen is different than how my manifestation was delivered to me. And so when you let go of the control, you're able to manifest like this very, very fast, and you're actually going to be so freaking excited on how the manifestation is going to happen for your life. And it's going to be like, your reaction is going to be like, I can't believe this happened this way. Like, I just can't believe how fast it came and how unexpected it was. And because you thought maybe originally it was going to happen this way, but it ended up happening a different way. And that's the really exciting part about manifestation, right? And law of attraction. And so yeah, let go of the how, throw all the circumstances out the window, really believe in yourself, and you're able to manifest like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Let me know how this is working out for you. I really want to hear what you're trying to manifest in your life. Really claim your manifestations. Maybe in the comments put claim in caps. I'd really love to hear from you. If you have any questions about law of attraction, make sure you leave a comment down below. I'd love to answer those questions for you, or maybe do a video on it. That'd be kind of cool, eh? And also, if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, follow me on my social medias, And I also have that free manifestation cheat sheet guide available. That'll be linked in the description box down below. And yeah, I'll see everyone next video. Bye!